So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add the echo effect to text here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up VistaCreate. Once that is done, just add some text into your design. So for this demonstration, let's go to the left here, press on text, then press on add text. And since we want to add the echo effect, I will type in the word echo, and then I'll make the text a little bit larger so that it's easier for you guys to see. So if you wanted to add the echo effect text, it's very straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top right and press on effects, then go to where it says echo right here, sort of in the top left, press on echo, and once you're on the echo effect, you can change the effect right here, so you can make it more, you can make it less, you can change the distance of it if you want, just like that. You can change the angle of it as well. Fairly straightforward, super simple. But that is how to add the echo effect to any text you want here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.